G'day from Australia, Artie McDowell here from ontoaustralia.com. In this video I will show you some of the entry requirements to study in Australia. For a study visa there are 4 requirements. You need to have English language level, you need to have a correct academic level, you need to pass all the visa requirements, and you need to have healthcare cover. All of these details can be found at the Australian government website called studyinaustralia.gov.au, and if we go over here to the how to apply section and click on entry requirements, you will see a page here with the 4 points that I explained earlier. So let's have a look at the first one, English language requirements. It says here that Australian education courses are taught in English, and that you will need a level for your visa, English level for the visa, and also there will be a different requirement by the institution, by the school you study at, will also have a English level requirement. So you need to check both. You need to go to the school's website and check the English language requirement for your course, and you also need to find out the language requirement for the visa. This is because some courses require higher levels of English than others. Okay, the next requirement is an academic requirement. It says here that academic requirements include English level skills, and you will need to check the course that you are interested in for these requirements. So each course and each institution has different entry requirements and different academic requirements. Okay, so let's have a look at the different types of education. English language courses, it says that the requirements can vary and differ between the different schools, and that you should check the course page for the requirements. For schools, likewise, it says entry requirements can vary between different schools and different states and territories. And this requirement, academic requirement, will be assessed during the application process. So you need to check the requirements from the school or from the course page. Okay, for vocational education and training, like diploma courses and certificate 1, 2 and 3 courses, in most cases there are no entry requirements, academic entry requirements. But in some cases, you may need to have some specific subjects or work experience. So you need to check with the school. The next type is undergraduate courses. And it says for undergraduate courses, you will need to have an Australian Senior Secondary Certificate of Education, that's Year 12, or the overseas equivalent. And the last level is higher education postgraduate course. It says you must have completed at least 1 degree at the undergraduate level, and at the institution they may also consider your research ability or your relevant work experience in the field. The next main entry requirement is the visa requirement. Okay, so it says here that the visa requirements, it depends on the course that you enroll in, but typically you will need a confirmation letter from your school. You will need to meet the genuine entry requirement, meaning you need to prove that you are genuinely entering as a temporary resident for the purpose of studying only. And you have to prove that you have enough funds to pay for your airlines and the course fees and all the living costs while you are here. You have to demonstrate proper English requirement levels. You have to meet the proper health and character requirements, and you have to provide evidence that you will have student health cover. The last entry requirement is health cover. So by Australian law, all of the overseas students must have health cover, and this is to cover all the costs of if they need medicine or they need to go to the hospital or ambulance or emergencies and so forth. So you can check out how to find student health cover at privatehealth.gov.au. Apply for it there. So those were the 4 entry requirement groups. The main thing to remember is to double check with your school and that every course and every institution will have different requirements. For more information, you can go to the Australian Government website. Here's the link. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. You can ask a question in the comments below. And if you subscribe, then you can get regular videos coming straight to you. And I hope we meet again soon. Bye.